Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fancy Gaming. This is a vlogging series. Um, talk about random things, what I've done for the project, and life going on as well. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord down below as well. And also, it's been a very wacky weather. I hope everyone had enjoyed watching the eclipse. I haven't because it wasn't a route to our area for it. Um, gonna get a tank. I think I talked about that last week. We have a 100-gallon tank. I was going to get another 75-gallon tank because in May, on my birthday, we're going to get some turtles. I'm going to feed my goldfish to the turtles and use a 50-gallon tank for something else for it. So, yeah, um, that's the fish side of it. I think I'm going to do a actual, like a separate channel just for Lance fish keeping or whatever, or tank keeping, whatever it's called. Uh, like I said, I want like basically like uh, 1/4 of the room to be like fish tanks and stuff. I have a little recliner there and relax. And while I'm at school, I can sit down and do my homework while looking at the fishes. Keep me low and mellow at the same time as well. We just finished up the Eldar tanks. There's like different weird names they give these things. I don't know all the names for it, but these guys are done. The videos for these will be out like end of May for the actual painting of it as well. I have like three different kinds. The base of the tanks are pretty much the same. It's just the top part of it for it. But yeah, I have to like get like one of those little jet bikes that the Eldar use and get like different types of the end guns for the bottom guns for the tanks uh, for for it. But these came out pretty nice for it. I know they go for like $50 a piece if you buy on Amazon for it, and I just print these suckers out for like $5 a piece. This is the next. So this I know this one's called the Wave Serpent because of the fins and stuff for it, and we have a whole bunch of other stuff tanks that I'm going to have to assemble for the next Eldar tank video. I think that'll be it for the tanks. I don't need that many tanks for the Eldars. I'm trying to find a very good like those jet bikes for the Eldars and the and I forget what it's called war guns or something like that. It's like one of those old school like Star Wars, those bipedal vehicles for it. Then try to get that up and going. Next for D&D painting, we are going to be doing bugbears. So we're going to have a lot of bugbears to do. And when the bugbears are done, we'll be doing goblins. When the goblins are done, we'll do kobolds. So basic monster stuff. My the players right now, they're like level 2, and I want to use a lot of these monsters that I can print and reuse multiple times. A lot of times when you start over, use orcs, goblins, and kobolds and so forth. And there's someone scurrying around. You could do a lot of good quests, taking over an old fort that's been abandoned and been taken over by by monsters and so forth for that. But we got those are coming in. I have to clean up the garage and I have to clean up the closet, and I haven't had the chance to do that. I've been uh, off and on in bed uh, due to the fact that I'm gonna be back on medication pretty soon. So hopefully, when I get on medication, I will be a lot more, what you call it, focused, active, and able to do a lot more stuff as well. And it gets really hot in this room. I'll tell you that right now. Spring, fucking hot and cold in the south. It gets fucking dropped down to 50, 40s to 50s. Then later on, it gets to 80s to 90s. Oh god, I just can't wait for um, the cold air to come in the fall. I'm waiting for that. There are some Kickstarters already announced. A couple of the STL Patreons. If you haven't seen those, please go look them up. I know there's a few that caught my eyes, but I don't have the money to pay $60, $90 for some of these Patreons. Because a lot of the ones I really want are the books. Not the miniatures, but the books. 5e books are very useful in a lot of things. You can get the PDF, you're going to pay a lot less, but I like physical books to be exact. The new 5e books I see from Wizard of Coast, I might just wait a couple months. If you wait like a couple months, that $60-$70 book price will drop down to like 20 to $30 a lot of times due to the fact that not a lot of people are buying physical books for like $70 a pop. It is too damn fucking expensive. Excuse my language. It's very damn expensive for it. I'm getting Stellar Blade this month. I might stream it on the secondary channel. I really don't know. I'm not done beating 587 Rebirth. I did not have the time to play any games for the past few weeks, except for StarCraft, because I just play a quick 5-10 minute game and get back to work what I need to do. So I did not actually sit down and play an actual proper JRPG game or an RPG game or a tactics game in a bit. So that is probably going to happen. I'll say probably when school starts, when I don't want to paint, I can start, just playing. Because when May 20th school starts. That's online courses, so I'll be able to do a lot of this stuff until the fall. When fall hits, that's when shit hits the fan. It's because I gotta study a lot more books on heavy machineries, and for that, it will probably cut down on a lot of my painting and gaming time for it. I heard about the news for the new Age of Sigmar. The a lot of models that basically they're removing a lot of those models. I'm like, I can get proxy of it through Highland Miniatures and One Page Miniatures as well for the Patreons. They have a lot of good Age of Sigmar and Old World and 40k proxies. If you're interested, try to get your hands on it. But because Games Workshop don't really sell them or make big productions of them. You can try them out if you want to print some out for yourself. I'm having a very hard time finding a lot of the print files for the Warhammer than in the past. In the past, they're all over the place. Since Game Workshop keeps striking a lot of these creators out, it's been very hard to get your hands on actual good, decent prints for it. I still do buy Warhammer stuff. It's just that I'm not buying it, the price that they're selling it for, and they gone up in price again. I do want to get the Old World. It's just that it's 300 something. It's like almost $300 just for a box, and it's not new models. It's just old models just recast into plastic that I've seen so far. I haven't gotten around with Age of Sigmar or other things. I might just 3D print some if you guys are interested of me doing that and painting some of them. So you guys have an idea if you want a proxy of them. I can probably do some. I have some Night Haunts. I do have some Stormcast ones as well. But I'm probably want to do goblins, the moon goblins. I think they were called. I'm more into them because they're kind of funny and goofy looking, in my opinion. I'm just sick of painting orcs right now because I've been made a lot of videos on orcs for D&D, and I have a lot of 40k orcs up on that shelf, and I'm like, I'm sick of orcs right now, so I'm taking a break from orcs. But anyhow, that's all I have for you guys. I hope you guys do enjoy the video. If you have any questions, leave down in the comments. I reply to them as best as I can. Thank you guys very much, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Have a great day, guys. Bye.